All right, well, boys and girls, you did a great job helping me with the Dino Days with rhyming. So now I was wondering if you can help me with my pumpkin patch. All right, do you see the pumpkins? The pumpkins have what on them? You should see a bunch of numbers on there. All right, remember pumpkin makes that what sound? P, p, P sound. Pumpkin, pumpkin, p, p, p. Pumpkin, pumpkin. And so does patch, pumpkin patch. All right, well, you saw the numbers on my pumpkins, and what we're going to need to do is I'm going to need some help answering some addition and some subtraction problems, and then I got to put a pumpkin on top of the number. So we got to get all these numbers filled up with pumpkins, all right? So here it says pumpkin patch. There's the two P's. Let's see if we can say those numbers together. Can you say them with me? 10, 6, 7, 1, 2, 6, 3, 8, 9, 7, 5, 9, 8, 4, 3, 5. Good. You probably did that faster than I did. And isn't it funny? Our nines look like a P if we're not careful. Remember, our nines are a hoop and a line that makes a 9. We don't want it to look like a P like in pumpkin patch or like Miss Paris with a P. All right, so my problems are addition, join together, plus, or take away. Remember, sometimes people say subtract, minus, those are all okay. These problems that we're doing are going top to bottom. Now, if I was writing the answer, I would be writing the answer under the line. I'm not going to write the answer. We're just going to cover up on the pumpkin patch. All right, so I'm going to show the problem, and you're going to have to tell me what number I need to cover up on my pumpkin. All right, so everybody get their sharp eyes out because I'm going to need some help. First one is 2 plus 1. What is that, boys and girls? 2 plus 1, join together. All right, you should be saying 3. So here's my pumpkin piece, and I need to cover do you see what I'm covering? 3. How's that? Looks good? Looks good in my pumpkin patch? All right, let's try another one. 8 take away 0. So I have 8 cookies, and I'm not taking any away. What is my answer, boys and girls? All right, you should be saying 8. We didn't do any changes. 8, we didn't take any away. The answer stays 8. Say that with me. 8 take away 0 equals 8. So there's an 8. I'm going to cover this up. All right. Here we go. Let's try another one. This is an join together. Your brain's going back and forth from addition to subtraction. 6 plus 2 equals, so this time we're joining together. We have 6. We're joining 2 more. What is 6 plus 2, boys and girls? Awesome. It's also 8. So I'm going to find another 8. Look at that. Whoops. Forgot to find my pumpkin. I had 8. Take away 0 was 8. But 6 plus 2 is also 8. All right, we came up with 8 both ways. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to go to an addition. 3 plus 3. What is 3 plus 3, boys and girls? Okay, you should be saying, everybody say 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So do you see a 6 on the board? I see a couple of them. I'm going to go to the top one. I'm going to put that on there, 6. Good, look at my pumpkin patch. It's filling up nice and pretty. All right, let's try another one. Look at that, take away. Your brain's got to shift back. If you have 5, take away 3. What is that, boys and girls? You have 5. But you take away 3, you're only going to have what? All right, you should be saying 2. 2. Do you see a 2 on the board? Yeah, I spy with my little eye. There's that 2. Awesome. All right. Let's try addition. Look at that. There's that plus. Brain shifting back. 7 plus 0. So you have 7, and you do not get any more. Your answer is going to stay what? Your answer is going to say 7. You have 7 cookies. You don't get any more cookies. 7 cookies is a lot. It's going to stay 7. Do you see a 7 on my board? I spy one right up there. There's a 7. All right, let's fill that pumpkin patch up. Good job. All right, now we're going to switch back. Let's see. How about a subtraction? A subtraction, there's that special mark. 8, take away. Remember, subtract, take away 1. So you have 8. You only take away 1, boys and girls. Do you know what the answer is? All right, you should be saying 7. Do you spot a 7 on there? Awesome, I do too. 8, take away 1 equals 7. Great job. All right, let's see what we've got here. Try, another subtraction. It should be a 9. Take away 0. Now remember, when we have something and we don't take anything away, remember the answer stays the same. 9, take away 0, the answer is what? All right, you should be saying 9. You should be saying 9. We didn't take any away, and there's a 9 I'm going to cover up. I bet you spotted it before. I could even turn that around. You see what numbers we have left. Hopefully we have some pumpkins to fill it up. All right, let's try this one. Back to addition. 1 plus 2. That's pretty easy for you guys. What is 1 plus 2? All right, you should be saying 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Do you see a 3 on the board? Awesome. All right, covering that up. Good job. Whoops, my pumpkin's sliding down. I got to stick him on there. Looking good, boys and girls. Our pumpkin patch is looking good. All right. Ready to try another one? 7, take away 6. All right, so you have 7, but they take away 6. How many do you have left? All right, good job. You should be saying 1. 1 is fun. Do you see a 1 on there? We're covering it up. Look at that. Our pumpkin patch is looking pretty good, boys and girls. We're covering up all those numbers on our pumpkin patch. Okay, let's try another one. 3 plus 2 equals, I bet you guys are saying these fast. 3 plus 2 joined together, you should be saying 5. Good job. I've got a few numbers left. Let's try another one. All right, you have 10. Now, if you're using your fingers, that's 5 and 5, 10. And you only take away, subtract, minus, take away 1. What do you have left? 10, take away 1. You should be saying what? Good job. 9. Here's my 9 I'm covering up. I'm not making the letter P, I'm making a 9. Good job. You see a few numbers left? How many we have left? Got 4 left. Is your brain still working hard? I think it is. All right, let's try another one. 6 take away 0. All right, so you have 6. You're not taking any away. Anytime you take away 0, remember the number stays the same. So 6 take away 0 would be what, boys and girls? You should be saying 6. Good job. Some of you are 6 years old. 6. Nice job. Okay. Let's see if we can find another one. Addition. You have 2 plus 8. All right, so you only had 2 plus 8. What is that? 2 plus 8. Can you get that number? Hopefully you're saying, everybody say it together, 10. 2 plus 8, and there's my 10. Remember, a 10 is 2 numbers. A 1 is fun, and around we go. A 1 and a 0. Remember Zero the hero? He came every 10th day. Good job. All right, we got 2 left. Do you think we can fill out our pumpkin patch? I think we can. You guys have done a really good job. Let's see what we got here. Here we go. Subtraction. 6 take away 2. So you have 6 take away, minus, subtract 2. What is your answer? Oh, right. You should be saying, everybody say it together, 4. 4. And there's my 4 at the bottom. All right, take a look at our pumpkin patch. All right. We got 1 left, and you even see the answer. So that's going to be pretty helpful. But you guys know it anyway. 7. You have 7. Take away 2. You know the answer. What is it, everybody? It's the last pumpkin for our pumpkin patch. You should be saying 5. Good job. Give yourself a big old finger clap. Great job. Look at our pumpkin patch. We filled it with cute little pumpkins. Filled up those numbers. You did great. You did addition and subtraction math problems to fill up our pumpkin patch. Great job, boys and girls. All right. Now, yesterday you did the front of this. Today, all you need to do is the back. Now, just like our pumpkin patch game, Miss Paris was going addition, subtraction. Boys and girls, you need to be super careful. When I look at this, I see some addition, but I also see some subtraction. So just like Miss Paris was giving you addition and subtraction, your paper is addition. Okay, we need to be careful. We need to start looking for the plus and the takeaway. Now remember, and Mom and Dad, they might need reminded about this. When we write our problems across, 3 plus 1, look how Miss Paris wrote that 4 on the line. But remember, when we have problems like that go down top to bottom, don't forget. There's that 2 plus 5. I wrote it under the line. All right, so don't forget 2 things. Addition and subtraction, plus and takeaway on this page. Numbers are going across, problems are going across to write on the line. Problems are going top to bottom to write under the line. And then, of course, the color code is up here, and you're going to have a nice, pretty picture to color. But make sure your math problems are done correctly before you do the coloring, because we can't really erase that coloring. All right? So, super careful on that. Make sure your numbers aren't backwards. We should be able to do these fairly quickly. We've been working on a lot of addition, subtraction. If you need to use your fingers, if you have some Cheerios or something you can count to help add and subtract, that's okay too. Let's get those numbers written the correct way though. All right, give yourself 3 big pats on the back today. 1, 2, 3. You guys did a great job. You worked super hard, and I'm really, really proud of you. Keep up the good work for Mom and Dad.